Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 1 over s squared on numerator and denominator. So s to the power of 4 divided by s squared divided by s squared, 1 with 1 over s squared. This one we will change into s squared plus 1 over s squared. And we put number 1 in here. Next, I will put number 2 in here. That means we need to divide by 2. So this one I can write into 1 over s squared plus 1 over s squared. So next I will add number 1. That means we need to minus number 1. And now we create about 2 fractions in here. The first one and the second one. So now I will concentrate about this one first. So I will add about negative number 2. That means we need to plus about number 2 in here. So with number 2, that's about s multiplied by 1 over s. This one we have number 3. So if we look carefully, this is about identity. So I will put about s minus 1 over s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. This one. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to 1 plus 1 over s squared with ds. So this one we change by u. 1 over s squared plus 1 we change by du. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of number 3 tan t. Because if we put this one go in here, we have 3 tan t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by du. We do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the square root of number 3 secant of t square dt. So we put this one go in here. This one we change by this one. So this one we have 3 tan t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. So this one we change by secant of t square. We simplify this one, and we have the square root of number 3 over 3 dt. And this one we have this one with t, and we put about c. About t that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And we have t equals to arctan of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. And about u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one in here. So I will add about number 2. Later that we need to minus about number 2 in here. So this is about negative number 1. This one is about s multiplied by 1 over s. And this is about identity. So we put about s 1 over s plus s to the power of 2. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have negative 1 over s squared plus 1 ds. This one is about 1 over s squared minus 1. So we put the negative side for the both sides. So we have 1 over s squared minus 1 ds. So this one in here we change by u. This one in here with ds we change for negative du. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to secant of t du. We have secant of t tan t dt. Secant of t squared minus 1 we change by tan t squared. Tan t divided by tan t. So secant of t we have 1 over cosine t. Tan t we change by sin t over cosine t. Cosine t divided by cosine t. We have negative 1 over sin t dt. And this one we have cosecant of t. The integration of negative cosecant of t, we will have about ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we change t equal to arcsecant of u. So we put this one go in here. About u, that is about this one. Now we combine the answer in here. This one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. And we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.